We thank you because you have planned it and you have made it possible. At this moment, we want to dedicate the leaders of this new field, the 3 officers. Father, they are human beings. They need wisdom from above. They need good health. And you are our provider. We want to pray for them as they are going to take a lead in this new field. A field which is not only new here, but the new one worldwide at this moment. Give them whatever they need so that they can lead it toward the next step. Father, we pray for their families. They need good advisors, their spouses and children and all those who will talk to them. Please, let them give them the counsel from you and you alone. Father in heaven, we pray for this wonderful new field. We dedicate this new field to you at this moment. This is a new baby. Babies need milk from the mothers. We ask you, Father, to feed this baby and to help those who are making this new field, all the church members, to understand that this was done by you and you alone, and that they need to support this wonderful new field you have made today. Yes, you are the giver of everything. And your holy word tells us in Psalm 24 that you are the owner of everything. And we know that you own all the treasures in heaven and on this earth. Father, be the #1 provider for this new field. Help all the church members and all the good wishers to help in the development of this new field. Bless all of them and bless the church members at this particular moment, Father. I want to ask you to let your light shine from this place. Amen. You are soon to come back. People from this state, people from everywhere, they need to know you. Let your name be known and be glorified in this region. Let the light which will come from here shine not only in this state, but also in the whole country of Ethiopia, in the whole territory of this division, and in the whole world, so that the good news from here will go everywhere and talk to your children wherever they are, so that the day you will come back, Father, we will all be gathered together in the clouds of heaven when we will meet you and be taken home by you and you alone, where we will live forever and ever. Until that time, we want to